solid-state logic has a rich history in music recording. Known perhaps most famously for their 4000 series of mixing consoles, which incidentally revolutionized inline console design, SSL have, within the last several years, sought to democratize access to their sound. The SSL-1 is the latest addition to their audio interface lineup, and this 2-in, 2-out USB audio interface brings the SSL vibe within reach of virtually everyone, from content creators to musicians and producers looking for an on-the-go solution.
In the city that never sleeps is a famous camera store with pro audio and more. Be an H above the door.
Well, I certainly won't be winning any awards with that little number, except maybe, just maybe, the HR Jingle contest, but I wanted to let you hear a little sample because the SSL-1 has something to offer users of all skill levels. If you're just getting started creating content or recording music, it's a straightforward class-compliant plug-and-play interface that works with iOS devices as well as laptops and desktop computers. When connected to a computer via USB-C, SSL-1 is bus-powered, but if you're planning on using it with an iOS device, there's a dedicated USB port for plugging in a 5-volt brick or a battery bank. Channel 1 features an SSL-designed mic preamp with plenty of gain for dynamic mics and phantom power to accommodate condenser mics. There's also a built-in high-pass filter, and when you really want to add that SSL sauce, there's a 4K button which adds some harmonic color and a presence lift in the high-frequency range, reminiscent of that iconic 4000 series console sound. Is a famous camera store with pro audio and more. Be an H above the door. Channel 2 features a switchable instrument line input for recording guitar, bass, synths, or drum machines. In terms of conversion, SSL-1 features next-generation 32-bit converters. Now this is fixed, not floating point, and can record at sample rates up to 192 kHz. For monitoring, there's a pair of balanced line outputs with a comfortably sized volume control, and a high current headphone output with dedicated volume control can power almost any pair of headphones. There's also a mix button which provides a blend of low latency input monitoring and computer playback. And from a practical point of view, SSL-1 does have a little trick up its sleeve that gives it an edge in this content economy age. It has 3 stereo loopback channels. These are essentially virtual inputs that can be used internally in your host to capture device audio. So this is perfect for streamers looking to capture game audio in addition to a mic, or for content creators who are looking to incorporate audio playback from other applications on the host computer. Let's check out an example. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you a 2-5-1 line over C major. So over the 2 chord, I'm playing an F major 7 arpeggio and a little trill, and then I'm going down to the root and chromatically down to the 3rd of the 5 chord, okay? And then on the 5 chord, to create some tension, I'm playing basically a little pattern from the diminished scale into the 1. All right, so let's hear it with the drums. So the way I accomplished this was that I had a drum loop pre-prepared that I had loaded into the music app on the computer, and I was using the loopback feature to push the audio from the music app into Pro Tools. So that way I could record the output of my microphone, I could record my guitar and the computer audio in one shot. Just saves a little time on the post-production end. Another nice bonus feature is that the outputs are DC coupled, meaning they can be used to send control voltage to external synths and drum machines, so SSL-1 can even integrate into modular and semi-modular synth setups for performance and production. In terms of build quality, the unit feels solid. The sides and the front are plastic, but there's a decent amount of metal in the build, so on the top, the back, and the bottom of the chassis, which makes it feel sturdy. And of course, this interface comes with the SSL production pack, which combines plugins such as SSL Drum Strip, Vocal Strip 2, and a trial for complete access, with a host of other virtual instruments, samples, and software tools from brands such as Harrison Audio, Antares, Native Instruments, IK Multimedia, Ableton, and more. SSL 1 packs all of the essentials into a small and robust package. Clean mic pre with phantom power, built-in high-pass and switchable 4K console flavor, dedicated instrument line channel for DI recording, 32-bit conversion at sample rates up to 192 kHz, straightforward monitoring with computer playback mix option and a high current headphone amp, and 3 stereo loopback channels, making it a great option for folks just getting into recording while also satisfying the needs of musicians and content creators. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, this has been Andrew from the B&H Pro Audio YouTube channel, reminding you to always remember audio.